Oh, right, okay then, the votes are in and it's quiz time. Well, one person said they wanted it, so that's enough for me. So, pay attention now in class. Thompson, what is that you've got in your hand?
That's my sporran, sir. It's just my sporran.
Right, put it away. And no copying of Shepherd. Okay, and Shepherd, no Google. Now this is a true story. I spoke to Robin once at, where was we, Yarmouth. I said, how come you know so much about Norfolk Broads, you, and boats and stuff? He said, Google. So it burst my bubble a little bit, that, but anyway, it didn't go down. Well, in my estimation. So anyway, here we are, it's quiz time. I'll try to do one of these each week, I think. I'm going to start off just with 10 questions, pretty easy ones. So then, let's crack on. So do you know Norfolk or Norfolk all? Well, let's see. Now then, don't post your answers on Facebook because I can't keep up with 15 or whatever it is Facebook groups I've posted this to. Put them in on my YouTube channel in the comments if you want to put your answers in there. I shall be marking them later and the answers will be posted next Friday before the next quiz. Now if I get down to the Broads on the Saturday, I'm not sure if that'll work the week after, but I'll work something out. So anyway, here's the questions. Good luck. Okay then, start off with an easy one. Where is this? Now it does go a bit quick, so I'll let it go a couple of times, but it is easy. Okay, an admission. I have stolen a lot of the questions online. You can't copyright a question, can you really? I will give credit to the various websites at some point, not just yet, because I don't want you going there and finding the answers. So here we have question 2, and it's an history question, and it is, where in Norfolk did a 14th century king of England imprison his mother? Not a brave man. A Norfolk Broads question, but not one that you'll have been on your boat anyway. What are Rollesby, Ormesby and Filby Broads known as together? And here we have the anagram round. Now this one's pretty straightforward. It is one word and it's one word on screen. There will be some that are maybe 2 or even 3 words, but you'll only see one word on screen. Question 5 is, born in Great Yarmouth, who wrote Black Beauty? And question 6, which Norfolk towns have piers? Not him that reads the breakfast news out. What's his face? Piers Morgan? No, not him. Ooh, this is an easy one. I know the answer to this one. Question 7. Which church is known as the Cathedral of the Broads? Question 8. A little bit tougher. This well-known writer moved to Norfolk when she was 3. Her books include Poppyland and Ends Dancing. What is her name? No idea. Question 9. What is the name of the devil dog which haunts East Anglia? I thought this must be a trick question, this one. Question 10, and the final question. Who is the figure at the top of Nelson's monument in Yarmouth? So how did you get on with them? Easy, weren't they? So don't forget, don't leave your answers in Facebook groups because I can't keep track of all those. Go through to my YouTube channel and leave them in the comments, please. And don't forget, while you're there, subscribe. I only need 500 more and then I can do live videos on YouTube. Come on. Hit that subscribe button. You don't need to watch my videos. Just help me out. And help those people that do want to watch them live. Cheers.